Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 924, and today's topic is the manufacture of rodenticide. Actually, rodenticides are such type of chemicals which are capable of killing the rodents, and rodents are, that is, lower vertebrate animals. They are pest animals like mice, rat, squirrel, and some other lower vertebrates, and they are very much damaging. They are very much harmful inside house as well as in agriculture field. They can damage anything. They have a small mouth with very sharp teeth, and they can cut lot of valuable and important material inside the house, and of course outside in agriculture field they can destroy a lot of food grain and also agriculture plants. So their killing is very important, and for that purpose the chemicals are synthesized to kill them, and we are getting these chemicals from two sources. One source is that is natural. It can be isolated from some flower or leaf of the plant. They are toxic and they can damage or destroy these lower invertebrates, rodents, and the others are synthetic chemicals, and these synthetic chemicals mainly are one which is zinc phosphide and also monofluoro sodium acetate. They are widely used to kill, and the mechanism of their killing is that they are anticoagulant, and is a complex blood reaction where these rodenticides will damage the blood viscosity, blood clotting, and there will be internal bleeding. So because of internal bleeding, these rodents, they will be killed. So I am going to give one by one. So as I have already told you that rodenticides are the chemicals which are capable of killing the rodents, and these rodents are nothing but lower vertebrate animals. Number one, rodenticides, they are useful in controlling certain pest animals. Pest animals means those animals which are harmful to human beings and their activities, farming, etc., such as mice, rats, ground-hogs, squirrels, and field rodents. Because of their ability to do extensive property damage and also to spread diseases. So these rodents, they are also capable of spreading disease like rat. A rat can spread the plague and some other viral infections. Number two, rodents are lower vertebrates with short frontal teeth, and they cause much damage to fabrics, crops, and property due to their gnawing habit. So that is serious damage. The rats and squirrel, mice, they can cut very easily, very fine silk, fabrics or clothes, and it can be extensive damage inside house. And also they can cause damage in the field where agriculture products are there due to their habits. With almost everything they can come across. Rats, mice, squirrels, they are the main rodents which are damaging a lot around the house, inside house. are the well-known example of rodents. The chemicals which are used to fight rodents are called rodenticides. They may be natural or synthetic chemicals. So this I have given here natural, that is called red squirrel. So red squirrel is actually from lily family. It is extracted, it is made in powder form and used. So this red squirrel isolated from a plant of lily family is an example of natural rodenticide. The raw squirrel after grinding is carefully processed in an oven and used as such for biting with food. It is used as a powder or an extract in a suitable solvent. Number 3, synthetic chemical rodenticide. So these synthetic rodenticides, they may be anticoagulant. Actually, all these synthetic rodenticides, they are anticoagulant, and their main role is that they will disturb the blood viscosity, and they will work as an anticoagulant, and also they will disturb the action of vitamin K activity, and vitamin K is responsible of blood clotting, and rather than blood clotting, they will hemolyze the blood. Hemolysis will take place and viscosity of the blood will be reduced, and in this way there will be internal bleeding, and this will cause the death of rodents. So they may be anticoagulants and acute role, that is your rodenticides. The anticoagulants destroy the blood vessels by antagonizing the normal functioning of vitamin K in the blood. They interfere with the complex blood clotting process and cause death of the rodents through internal bleeding. So I have given here 3 rodenticides which are very popular and widely used in the world. Number 1, that is called warfarin rodenticide, and warfarin rodenticide is 3-alpha acetonyl benzyl 4-hydroxycumulene. That is its name, and it is branded name is warfarin rodenticide. Warfarin has widely been used as a rodenticide. Warfarin is dull white solid having no odor and taste. It is insoluble in water but soluble in acetone. It is applied as bites containing about 1 milligram of poison per gram. Acute rodenticides are capable of wiping out of rat population in a single dose because they are acute poisons, and these may be of 2 types. Is that is dose requiring ordinary caution, and the other one which is requiring very drastic caution. So the one which is requiring ordinary caution is your zinc phosphide and fluoroacetate. Number 5, preparation of zinc phosphide. Zinc phosphide is also very popular rodenticide. Zinc phosphide can be prepared by the reduction of zinc phosphate with carbon. The poisonous action is due to the liberation of phosgene, that is pH3, in the stomach. Actually, once this your zinc phosphide is given to rodents, and they will bite, eat, and once it will reach to their stomach, there the hydrolysis of zinc phosphide will take place, and in that process of hydrolysis there will be production of this gas, and that is called phosgene PS3, and this phosgene PS3 is responsible of killing them because they are poisonous. Is in the stomach of rodents and by hydrolysis. So here that is your Zn3P2 plus 6H2O. So once zinc phosphide is given to stomach in presence of 6H2O means water, the hydrolysis will take place and there will be production of phosgene, that is 2PS3 plus 3ZnOH twice. Zinc phosphide has garlic smell and it is highly toxic to domestic animals and birds. So it is used with great care at home, because if your domestic pet animal or bird, if they are eating it, they will be killed because of the production of phosgene in their stomach. Number 6, preparation of sodium monofluoroacetate, and is prepared by heating ethyl chloroacetate with potassium fluoride, that is KF, in an autoclave at 200 degrees centigrade temperature. The ester so formed is then hydrolyzed with sodium hydroxide and crystallized out as sodium salt. So here it is your ClCH2CO, C2H5, and that is your ethyl chloroacetate. So this ethyl chloroacetate in presence of potassium fluoride, it will be changed into FCl2, CO, C2H5, and in presence of sodium hydroxide, finally it will be changed into sodium monofluoroacetate, and this sodium monofluoroacetate is very effective rodenticide. So sodium monofluoroacetate can also be prepared by heating formaldehyde by hydrogen fluoride and carbon. So once formaldehyde plus hydrogen fluoride and carbon monoxide in presence of sodium hydroxide, if it is treated, we will get that is your sodium monofluoroacetate. This is sodium monofluoroacetate. It also can be prepared from formaldehyde. It is deadly poison to everything, even including man. So that's why we should use this sodium monofluoroacetate with very or extra care or extremely careful. Otherwise, sometimes we will become the victim. So with this I will stop. This is under the chapter of insecticides and pesticides, natural and inorganic. And the next one I will be discussing in next lecture, it is fungicide. I mean the chemicals which are responsible of destroying, killing the fungal growth. With this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.